concept is, it's called Tutoring B Street, and the tagline is Corporate Finance Made Real. Okay, and the whole logic behind this business is that, when I came back to India, GE was my first job in India, right? So I worked abroad and I had studied abroad. I went to school in India. And basically what I noticed was that there was a huge gap between theory, what you learned in the classroom, and what you applied on the job. Okay, and having said that, and actually another interesting thing is that, over the last few months, I've seen about 3-4 people joining FCU, and I've seen that in spite of sort of training them, they feel kind of lost. And I figured that that's probably because they are weak in Excel. Now, why I say Microsoft Excel is because it's probably the most underestimated tool in the country. And I say country because there are a lot of training programs that I've seen companies conducting abroad, outside India. So I thought, why not replicate that model and bring it here in India and teach people Microsoft Excel? Because, I feel like you get more confident in data analysis. Everything that you do in Excel finally goes on to PowerPoint. Everything boils down to numbers. I mean, I'll give you a perfect example. Last year when we were doing recon, okay, we were doing a recon for fraud loss numbers, and we had taken provisions for certain numbers, and I was just observing how we were doing a recon in Excel, and it just struck me that one little mistake like recognizing a number as a text can screw up the entire reconciliation and can give people nightmares. So I thought, right from the entry level position to managers to CEOs, everyone needs Microsoft Excel. It's that basic. It's that basic. So I was fortunate enough to sort of share the same vision with a few of my colleagues from Merrill Lynch, and in fact they were colleagues of mine who had come back to India and they had started jobs in Indian banks. And basically we've rolled out the products in the market and we've been getting a very good demand from colleges and institutions. And institutions being, any institution, like be it a firm like GE or, consulting firm, accounting firm, investment bank, private equity, whatever. So I said, why not go out and help people and train them in Excel? And I've seen that firsthand with you guys and how much it's helped you guys. So I can personally relate to it. So that's all. I just want to do it on on a bigger scale. I don't think there's any other firm that's doing this solely like training people in Excel. I mean, you must have heard of NIIT and Aptech. They're very IT oriented and their products are very, very huge. They're not just Excel focused. And they obviously don't go down to the college students, which is what I want to do. So yeah, I just saw this little market opportunity and I wanted to grab it.
So what is tutoring? B is free.
Sorry, so tutoring B, the whole logic of B stands for Dalal. So you guys must be knowing Dalal Street in Bombay. Basically we have 3 products. The first is a very, very basic quickie. It's called the Excel Quickie, which is a 1-day course which we want to teach to, our goal is we want to teach even the grandmoms, housewives, we want to teach people how to use Excel. Like for example, if you guys are spouses who are sitting at home, they can use Excel to budget for their homes, or if they're buying a home, how do they think about mortgage, so things like that. So that's the basic model, and then there's an intermediate and an advanced model, which is more for the consulting and finance professionals. So that's why the D for Dalal, because our more advanced products are very finance related, which I was doing in Merrill before I joined.
Corporate finance made real?
Right, so corporate finance made real, it goes back to the same logic of bridging the gap between theory and the workplace. Because our whole logic is people who are not in the work, people who are not doing jobs, we want to get them so confident that when they join any company, the industry part of it, like if you join a credit card company, you can understand the theory, once you join. But Excel, no one really teaches you. I'm sure each one of you, when you have a problem in Excel, you don't even Google it. Like all you do is by trial and error you try and figure out something, right? If you really think about it, if there was someone to sort of help you with those Excel questions, it would make each one of your lives very, very simple. I'm not even kidding, right? Um, I looked around for Ayush because when I say I'm not even kidding, he laughs. So that's the whole logic of corporate finance made real, because most of our products are finance oriented, and it's basically we are making theory a reality. So that's why I have the punchline saying corporate finance made real. So yeah, the whole we have a color combination of black and white for the company because I love black. So I think this is an outdated card. It doesn't have my updated email, but I'll give you guys all of that in an email today. So yeah, so that's the whole